Hello and welcome back. This is Keith Hall, and today we're going to learn how we could duplicate anything in Photoshop. On my screen, I just have a background layer with multiple rectangles on there. So if I want to duplicate this particular rectangle, I want to make sure I have the Move tool selected and, of course, that layer selected. All I have to do, this is one way to do it, is hold down the Alt or Option key, Alt for PC, Option for Mac, and then click and drag. And there you have it. You have a duplicated object. Again, if I want to do it, all I do is hold down the Alt or Option, click and drag. Okay, now I'm going to undo these changes. And now let's say you want to do the same thing, but by working in the Layers panel. Select the layer that you want to duplicate. Again, hold the Alt or Option key and click and drag. And as you can see, it duplicated that layer. It gave me another blue square. So if I go ahead over here, there you can see it's duplicated. Now let's say I want to duplicate multiple layers. Select one layer, select another that you want, whether you use the Shift key, which is consecutive layers, or using a Control key that selects non-consecutive layers. And then again, using the Alt key or Option on a Mac, and click and drag those layers. And as you can see, it created multiple layers that I selected on here. So if I go here, you could see that it duplicated those two layers that I selected in the Layers panel. Thank you for stopping by today. Hopefully this helps you navigate quicker within your projects in Photoshop. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever a new video is ready, you'll be first to be notified. Again, please like, share, and comment also. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also brings awareness to what I'm trying to teach everybody in the Photoshop space, or even I also use Builderall, which is a digital marketing tool that I have, and also I work with HTML and CSS also. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.